Have you ever experienced issues with your Logitech MX Keys keyboard where a key gets stuck after pressing it or sometimes doesn't register at all? That's exactly what happened to me, and I'm here to show you how I fixed it. The problem was caused by debris and dust accumulating under the key, which made it stick and malfunction. To resolve this, I'll need to remove the key and give it a thorough clean. Before we begin, make sure you have a suitable tool for prying off the keys. I use a metal spudger, which I found in a pry tool kit I purchased some time ago. Alternatively, you can use a guitar pick or even a credit card, but if you plan on doing this frequently, I recommend investing a good pry tool kit. I've got two recommendations for you: a budget-friendly no-name brand that works just fine, and Jekemi or iFixit Tech toolkits are perfect for DIY enthusiasts. You can find links to both in the video description below. Now, let's get started. To remove the keys, gently pry them off from the top. Insert your tool above the key and carefully lift it out. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, which can damage the key or the keyboard. It's a good idea to use your other hand to catch the key so it doesn't fly off unexpectedly. Once the key is removed, use a small brush to clean around the area, removing any debris or dust that's accumulated. You can also use compressed air to blow out any remaining particles. This step is crucial to ensure that all dirt and grime are completely gone. Reassembling the key is straightforward. Simply slide it back in from the top until it clicks into place, and then press down gently on the top side to secure it. After cleaning and reassembling the key, I can confirm that it's working smoothly again. The sticking issue is gone and it registers presses consistently. If you're experiencing similar issues with your Logitech MX Keys Mini or any other Logitech MX Keys series keyboard, I hope this video helps you fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tutorials and tips.